Hunting for the best budget video camera? It's a challenging time for everyone budget-wise, and if you want to shoot great videos without forking out a fortune, it pays to do your research. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best budget video cameras you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The Olympus OMD EM10V emerges as the unsung hero for budget-conscious vloggers, seamlessly blending style and functionality. Crowned as the 5th best budget video camera, this Micro Four Thirds gem packs a punch with its 20.3 megapixel sensor and the ability to shoot 4K video at 30p. What truly sets it apart is Olympus's 5-axis stabilization system, a technological marvel that ensures your footage remains silky smooth even when shot handheld. It's a feature that transforms ordinary moments into cinematic experiences. The camera's thoughtful design caters to vloggers, offering a 3-inch tilting touchscreen with 1.03 million dots for easy framing. A flip-down screen makes self-filming a breeze, adding a personal touch to your content. While a missing mic port might be a drawback for some, the EM10V compensates with reliable autofocus, ensuring that every frame is sharp and focused. In a world where creativity knows no bounds, the Olympus OMD EM10V emerges as a versatile companion, combining affordability with cutting-edge video technology. It's more than a camera. It's a storyteller's tool, beckoning you to capture life's moments in all their vibrant glory. Priced at $699. Meet the Panasonic Lumix G100, a beacon for aspiring videographers. Crowned the number 4 best budget video camera, this mirrorless marvel beckons beginners with its Micro Four Thirds sensor boasting 20.3 megapixels that bring your visual storytelling to life. Weighing a mere 14 ounces, this camera feels like a feather in your hands, yet packs a punch with a 3-inch vari-angle screen and a 3.69 million dot electronic viewfinder. Included in the enticing package is a kit lens, elevating your content creation game. Capture moments in stunning 4K UHD, though some may long for 4K 60p. The Lumix G100 delivers more than enough for most videography needs. What sets this Lumix apart is its intelligent 3-capsule built-in mic system, a symphony for your ears. While an external mic is recommended, this budget-friendly beauty ensures your audio is crisp and clear. The expansive world of Micro Four Thirds lenses awaits, providing versatility and creative freedom. The Lumix G100 isn't just a camera, it's your entry ticket to a visual odyssey, capturing emotions and stories at the affordable price of $547. Discover the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. A compact marvel that's more than just a camera. It's a storyteller's companion. Priced at a modest $599, this gem claims its throne as the 3rd best budget video camera, and rightfully so. Designed for the intermediate to enthusiast user, the G7X Mark II packs a 1-inch sensor capturing 20.1 megapixel of visual magic. Its 24 to 100 millimeter equivalent optical zoom lens grants you the freedom to explore a variety of perspectives, ensuring your content stands out. The 3-inch tilting touchscreen with 1.04 million dots adds a touch of modern convenience, allowing you to frame your shots with ease. Sure, it may lack 4K capability and a mic port, but what it sacrifices in features, it compensates for in performance. This compact dynamo shines brightest in full HD 60p video, delivering cinematic quality to your creations. Perfect for vlogging, the forward-facing screen becomes your storytelling mirror, adding a personal touch to your narrative. Embrace the allure of the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II, a budget-friendly masterpiece that captures moments with emotion and precision. Elevate your content creation journey without breaking the bank. Dive into the depths of creativity with the Olympus Tough TG7, crowned as the #2 best budget video camera. This compact marvel is not just a camera, it's a resilient companion ready to capture life's adventures with a splash of emotion. Priced at $549, it's a steal for the memories it safeguards. Acquiring the legacy of Olympus's camera division, the TG7 emerges as the phoenix from the ashes of the beloved Tough TG6. While boasting a modest 12-megapixel resolution, its backside illuminated sensor shines like a beacon in challenging conditions. Each pixel, though fewer, is a giant hungry for light, ensuring your underwater escapades and extreme terrain exploits are immortalized with clarity. This camera isn't merely waterproof, it's a storyteller in the sea's depths, fearless against shocks, unfazed by freezing temperatures at 14 degrees Fahrenheit, and impervious to the whims of dust, sand, and snow. Even if you're not a daredevil scaling mountain or swimming with the fishes, the Tough TG7 captures the mundane with an extraordinary touch. Raw photos and 4K videos are its daily bread, while built-in macro and microscope modes turn ordinary scenes into extraordinary tales. Step into the world of budget-friendly video recording with the Sony HDRCX405, crowned the #1 best budget video camera. This camcorder is a beacon of simplicity, weighing a mere 7 ounces with the battery, making one-handed operation a breeze. Its 30x optical zoom lens, expandable to 60x with digital zoom, grants you unmatched shooting flexibility, ensuring you capture every detail. Designed for beginners, the Sony HDRCX405 boasts an intelligent auto mode that effortlessly selects optimal settings, allowing you to focus on capturing the moment. The 2.7-inch flip-out LCD provides a convenient preview, and with a max video resolution of full HD, your memories are destined for clarity. Yet, like any hero, this camcorder has its vulnerabilities. In low light, the smaller sensor size may lead to grainy and noisy footage. Despite this, at a humble price of $228, the Sony HDRCX405 stands as the unrivaled champion for those seeking budget-friendly simplicity in their video recording journey. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.